Okay, I am excited. I posted a picture. I got in my Jawbreaker. And now I'm going to have to go get a Jawbreaker. Like that, just a tad. You know, I'm a week late to the party as usual. Excuse me, that barbecue sauce made me belch. Late to the party because everyone else has already done their swatches. Let's get these back off. Okay, so further ado, here you go. Here is the palette. Like I said, everyone's already seen the palette by now. But I will do some swatches for you because I am excited to get some done. I don't see any makeup wipes. So I did have a trusty paper towel though from the barbecue tasting. Okay, so on with it. Virgin. Okay, see that on my finger. Comes off really good on my finger, but when I go to put it on my arm, I'll hold that up for you. Oh, it's in the wrong spot, isn't it? Right there. So let me do it again. All right, now, ta-da. Yeah, I can see it now, right there. The back of my arm. Okay, so next, I'm going with Good Morning, which is a very nudie color. I can't even see that on my arm. Let me help if I go the right way. Okay. I can see it when I look down this direction, but when I hold it up to y'all, for some reason, I cannot see it. Whew. Okay, that's going to be a nice wide. So there's 3 in a row right there, if you can see that. That pink is nice and bright. Okay, that is called Bubblegum. So we had Virgin, Good Morning, Bubblegum. I'm doing the top row. This is Wow. And okay, that was just one pass with Wow. So Wow. Good color. It's a matte. It feels, I'm gonna say it feels different actually than the Bubblegum, which is a matte. This Bubblegum feels a bit more creamier. This one feels, no, the Bubblegum is the more powdery feeling. This one's more creamy. I had those backwards, but still, all in all, they feel good, and I imagine they're going to look fantastic on the eyes. I will be working on some looks this week and getting those filmed and posted. Okay. This is Suck. I always say that, you suck. Okay. That's a pretty orange there. Licorice. As you can tell, I'm not that great at swatching. Whew, those two have stayed on my fingers. They have not wiped off like the others. because I'm just using a damp paper towel, so it's no wonder. Alright. This is cute. Which is a mint green. Okay. The next one is Fuck. Which is a pretty, it's a peachy coral, maybe, is what color that is. So it's the very last one here on my arm. Okay, so if I get banned for saying the word, I blame you, Jeffree. Did you hear me? No. Okay. The next one is Gumdrop. We're going to put Gumdrop right there by Fuck. Have you ever seen Austin Powers where he's introducing himself to a set of twins, and her name is, there's Fook You and Fook Me. It's a real pretty lavender, purpley, which is the, okay, sorry about that, my son came in. So the first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 shades in this palette so far that I have swatched. They're all mattes, and I'm really liking the formulas. So I was hoping I was going to be able to get all of them. Okay, so if I hold my arm up, where are you going to see that? Right there. Yeah. Can you see the shimmer going? It's right there. It's not real. I think I had the light way too bright. Okay. There we go. Oh yeah, there when I turn. Okay. So this is called Snack, and it is a peach shimmer. It's really pretty. Okay, the one next to it is called Brain Freeze. I'm gonna actually put it below, since I got that one kind of high. Okay, this one is Jawbreaker itself, which I can already tell has a gold but almost an orange shimmer when I put it there. Okay, it's here at the bottom. Okay, so I've got 3 on that arm so far. Alright, next is And What? Okay. And What? I'm going to put this one above. Woo! Gorgeous. So, I love me some And What? Okay. Now, my son, sorry, I apologize. He's very loud. He's very loud. Okay. Alright. Don't want to contaminate. Alright, so we're going to do this one. The next one is called Orange Juice, which I've been drinking an orange juice smoothie every day for a couple of weeks now. Homemade, of course. Woo! Good Lord. That is wow. No, it's not wow. Wow was yellow. But that is wow. That is really beautiful there. Orange juice is. Okay, now we have Sour, which is a green. It's a pretty green. Let's see how Sour goes down. I'm gonna do another Sour. There we go. Then we have Soaked. Let's see if I can get this off my fingers again. Okay. Soaked is a very... I keep blinding myself with that mirror, don't I? Maybe if I do it this way. One pass, that is a very vibrant blue. Very, very vibrant. Okay, Raspberry. I do not like raspberries at all, but I love the color. Alright. Now I'm still showing y'all my hideous room and everything else. Alright. Raspberry is very pretty. It goes, I'm sure, really well with the foil there, or shimmer. Okay, now I'm running out of arm space. Alright, so if I do that, I can go on my hands because I don't have that many left. Okay, now we have Cotton Candy. Ooh. I'm out of, that just, that's this one here. My other fingers are stained, but yeah. Oh, wow. Oh, man. I keep saying wow. It is not wow. Wow is yellow. That one was so soft that I've already messed up my Jeffree star. It's over here, right there. Okay, now we have Lemon Drop. Now I've seen this in a couple of videos. Lemon Drop is gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. It's soft, but it's not as soft. It's on my pinky. All right. Bite Me, which is my favorite saying. Although y'all probably never heard me say that. See that? Oh, me in this dang mirror. It's gonna go round and round. Okay, there. It's a pretty purple. I have an iPod from, I don't know, probably 10 years ago. Maybe even a little longer. And when I bought it, I had the option to have it engraved. And I was like, I don't want my name on it. What do I want on here? So on the very back, I'll have to go find it and show y'all, but it says Bite Me. Okay, this one is Cherry Wet. Like, very wet, but you're cherry wet. Okay. Holy smoke, look. That's gonna look so pretty. I can already see it. It is. Okay, I've got 3 colors to go. I'm just gonna go ahead and get them all. On my fingers. Okay. So we have Tasty, Cone, Delicious. So it's a brown, brown, nude, dark blue. Okay, so what do y'all think? These are cat eye fingernails. They were awesome to do. I put them on, then you hold a little magnet over, and then it draws the metal to make the eye. So, but we're not talking about that. We are with the Jeffree Star palette. So obviously I haven't worn any yet, but I really loved pretty much how everything has swatched. I know a few people I've seen said a few of them were patchy. I can see where potentially that this really dark blue one would be patchy. The not delicious, but cone and what was this last one called? I already put it back. Tasty and cone look like they would be fine. All three of these, raspberry, cotton candy, lemon drop, and bite me, look like they would be great. Or not raspberry, I'm sorry, that's cherry wet. Then over here, the raspberry one might look like it could be patchy, but we're gonna hope not because I really like that color. But those foils are out of this world. That orange and green beside each other too is just beautiful, and the light is not doing it any justice. Let me go down a tad. It'll adjust. Which way? No, there you go. Okay, so I had that. I know I've got some other stuff, but I don't remember what it was at the moment. So let me know about that. Oh, I did get me the Jeffree Star sponges because I wanted to try those because those look fantastic. Hopefully sometime this week I will be able to go buy me a giant Jawbreaker, because that is so what the giant Jawbreakers look like. They did a great job. Great job. So there you go. Closed it back up. Oh, I know what I ordered and they're not here. I ordered, they haven't showed up yet actually, lipsticks, Jeffree Star lipsticks. So hopefully those will be here soon. Hopefully they'll be here sometime this week. So probably just got eyeshadow all over me. I always do when it's all over all my fingers. So alright, well let me know what y'all think about that. And like I said, don't forget to check out the giveaway, the summer skincare and makeup giveaway. It runs through July 27th or 8th, and then I'll have a live drawing, or yeah, if you want to call it a drawing. Comment picker will pick a winner. One off of Instagram, one off of Facebook, and then we will choose Facebook. I'm sorry, YouTube, but then we will pull between those two to get the winner. I will put the link below for that. The only comments that count though is the comments under the actual video. So putting a comment under this video is not going to help you with that giveaway. It will help you in future giveaways. Well, not at the moment it won't, because there's no future giveaways, but you know what I mean, right? So, okay, today I'm scattered, I'm sorry, but yeah, it's just been, it's been a rough, as y'all know, a rough few weeks. My sister-in-law has had a really rough time. Prayers for her. She lost her mother a couple days ago, and they had the funeral this morning. So love and prayers and hugs to her. Other than that, everybody stay beautiful, stay sweet, and see y'all next time.